Hi, Maya. You look really happy today. What's going on?
Hey, Adam. Yes, I feel very excited. I have been thinking about traveling again.
Traveling? Again? You just came back from a trip last month.
I know, but I can't help it. Traveling makes me feel alive. When I travel, I feel like the world opens up in front of me.
That's true. You are the girl who loves traveling. Everywhere you go, you come back with stories. So where do you want to go this time?
I'm not sure yet. I'm thinking about somewhere new. Maybe a place with nature, mountains, fresh air, or maybe a city full of culture and history.
That sounds amazing. But can you tell me something? Why do you love traveling this much? Many people like traveling, but you really love it.
Good question. I think I love traveling because it teaches me things I can't learn from books. When I travel, I meet new people, hear new languages, taste new food, and see new ways of living. I feel like every place helps me grow a little more.
That makes sense. It's like every trip gives you a new part of yourself.
Exactly. When I went to Turkey, for example, I learned how people celebrate small things in life. They drink tea together, sit for long hours, and enjoy slow moments. When I went to Italy, I learned how people express emotions freely. They talk with their hands, their voices, everything. And when I visited Thailand, I learned how people smile even when life is not easy.
Wow, you really learn from every place.
I try to. I feel like the world is a big school, and traveling is my favorite teacher.
That's beautiful. But I have another question. When did this love for traveling start? Was it when you were a kid?
Actually, yes. When I was a child, my parents used to take me on small trips inside our country. We visited beaches, historical places, mountains. I remember one time we went to a small village by the sea. The air was fresh, the water was calm, and the people were kind. That trip stayed in my heart. I think it planted the idea that the world is full of beauty.
I see. So your childhood shaped your passion.
Yes, and when I grew older, I started traveling on my own. My first solo trip was scary, but it changed me. I became more confident, more responsible, more open. It taught me that I can survive in a place where I don't know anyone.
That's brave. Many people are scared to travel alone.
I was scared too, but fear disappears when you start walking. You just need to take the first step.
True. So tell me, Maya, if you could choose only one reason to travel, what would it be?
Only one? That's hard. But maybe the biggest reason is that traveling makes me feel free. When I'm in a new place, nobody knows me. Nobody expects anything from me. I can be myself completely.
Freedom? That's powerful.
Yes, and you? Do you like traveling?
I like it, but not like you. I'm more slow, more careful. I like staying in one place, having routines. But I enjoy listening to your stories. They make me feel like I'm traveling with you.
Oh, that's sweet. Then maybe we should travel together one day.
Traveling with you? That sounds exciting and maybe dangerous.
Dangerous? Why?
Because you don't stay in one place. You want to climb mountains, explore small streets, talk to strangers, eat street food. I'm not sure my heart can handle all that.
Come on, Adam. I'm not that wild. I just like exploring. When you travel, you must see the real life of a place, not only the touristic parts.
I know, but your energy is too strong. You wake up early and sleep late. You want to walk all day. I might need 3 coffees just to keep up with you.
Then drink four. Problem solved.
You're impossible.
And you love it.
Maybe I do. So, tell me about your dream destination, the number one place on your list.
Oh, that's easy. Japan.
Japan? Why Japan?
Because it's a mix of old and new. You see advanced technology, neon lights, fast trains, and at the same time, you see temples, traditional houses, quiet gardens, and people wearing kimonos. It feels like two worlds living together.
That sounds beautiful.
And Japanese culture is very interesting. They are polite, respectful, disciplined. They have a culture of kindness, small bows, soft voices, clean streets. I want to experience that.
What about the language? Japanese is not easy.
True, but I love languages. When I travel, I always try to learn simple phrases, just enough to say hello, thank you, sorry, how much, where is, etc. Even small words make people smile.
That's nice. People appreciate when you try.
Yes, language is a bridge. Even if you speak only 2 words, it shows respect.
So, if we traveled together, what kind of travelers would we be?
I think you would be the calm traveler. You would take photos, enjoy the moment. And I would be the curious traveler. I would pull you to explore every corner.
That sounds accurate.
And maybe we would balance each other.
Maybe I would slow you down a little and you would push me to try new things.
Exactly. That's the magic of traveling with different types of people.
Maya, can I ask you something more personal?
Sure, go ahead.
Do you ever feel tired from traveling? Or lonely?
Yes, traveling is not always perfect. Sometimes I feel tired, lost, or confused. Sometimes I miss home, my family, my room. Sometimes I feel lonely in a new place.
Then why continue?
Because the beauty is bigger than the difficulty. Every trip teaches me something new. Every place gives me a memory. Every mistake becomes a funny story later, and every moment of loneliness makes me stronger.
That's deep.
Traveling is not about the pictures on social media. It's about how it changes your heart.
I like that. Maybe you should write a travel book.
Maybe one day.
And maybe one day I will travel with you.
I hope so, Adam. The world is big and life is short. We should see as much as we can.
Then promise me something.
What?
When you choose your next destination, tell me. Maybe I'll join. Even if it's scary, even if it's fast, even if it's wild.
I promise. And I'll bring extra coffee for you.
Good. I'll need it.
You will, but you'll also love it.
I'm sure I will, Maya.
Then the adventure begins soon.